favors, it is your favorite girl, Tiffany, back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I am working on Amaya's party decorations and party favors for her birthday party all this week, you guys. So, if you did not watch my video on the Disney princess ideas, go watch that video first and then come back to this video and you will see the different things that I do for Maya's party. But I'm not going to keep you too long. I'm going to jump into this video right now. Okay, you guys, so I am back to you with the last Disney princess thing I'm going to be doing for Amaya's party. And this is going to be a easy DIY party treat idea. And this is going to be, I call it the Princess and the Frog popcorn that I'm doing. Princess Tiana and the Frog popcorn that I'm doing. So what you're going to need is your popcorn. And I have some already popped in a bag. It's movie theater butter flavored. So I have, I'm probably going to use 2 bags. These are really big bags, you guys. I'm going to use these cute snack boxes, actually popcorn boxes, you guys. Disney princess themed. And I'm going to use my sprinkle mix, which I call the Princess and the Frog sprinkle mix. And I'm going to use my pink Wilton candy melts. If you guys watch my video on the marshmallow pops, you'll see exactly how to use the candy melts. I always use a Pyrex glass when I'm melting mine, and I pour a half glass of candy melts, and I add a half teaspoon of coconut oil, and you're going to microwave it for a minute, and you're going to break that minute up into 30-second segments, you guys. So you do your first 30 seconds in the microwave, take it out, you mix it up, your candy melts up, and then you put it back in the microwave for 30 more seconds, take it out, and you mix it up until it's all melted. So let's jump right into this video. Or should I say, let's jump right into this video. Okay, you guys. So I'm just going to pour my popcorn on this baking sheet. And I'm doing candy melts because Amaya does not like the candy popcorn, you guys. Because I do candy popcorn also. But for some reason, Amaya does not like it. So we're not going to do that. Since it's her birthday party. Okay, so I got my popcorn on this baking sheet, you guys. And I'm going to grab my chocolate, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I had melted my chocolate, my pink chocolate. And I'm just going to take my Wilton drizzle spoon. And I'm going to go right over this popcorn. Drizzling it. trying to get enough on here, you guys. And now you want to cover it like this, especially if you're putting sprinkles or adding to it. So this is a really easy, basic little popcorn idea you guys can do for Disney Princess. And I'm going to go ahead and put all of mine on there. Okay. So, I got it. Let me put this to the side, you guys. My glass. So, as you can see, I got my candy melts on the popcorn. And I'm glad I got butter popcorn because these candy melts are really sweet. So the butter, by it being butter popcorn, when the two collide, the sweet and the butter is going to taste really good, you guys. So let me grab my glove. So I had to grab one of my gloves, you guys, for the sprinkles, of course. So I'm going to take my Princess Tiana and the frog mix and sprinkle on this popcorn all over. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to go ahead and put all these sprinkles all over. Okay. And you know what else I'm going to do? First of all, I'm going to refrigerate this. For like maybe 5 or 10 minutes. I'm going to refrigerate this, and this is going to be the topping for the popcorn cups. So you can see the mix, popcorn mix. It looks so good, you guys. But like I said, I'm going to refrigerate this for 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to come back, you guys. And I'm going to take, my camera's trying to fall again. Okay. I'm going to take these popcorn cups. I'm going to open one up for you guys. I'm going to take them and assemble it. There we go. See it? It's cute. There's Tiana. But she's in blue. I did her in green, you guys. But it doesn't matter. So I'm going to take this. And I'm going to take some more of the popcorn doesn't have chocolate in there. And I'm just going to pour it in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, I got my cup like almost filled to the top. But then I'm going to take some of the candied popcorn and it's going to be like a topper to this. That's the trick, you guys. So if you want to see how these turn out, stay tuned into my videos, you guys, on this Disney Princess Party Ideal project that I started. I will be posting pictures of the party of, not pictures, I will be posting a video of the party showing you guys the candy table, the treat table, whatever you want to call it. So you guys be on the lookout for that. And you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Like I said, my channel is fun and unique and real. So, like I always say, I will party with you guys next time. Bye. Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.